Ladies and gentlemen, crypto fam all over the world, big news today. Both Pi and Sol have smashed through the USD $1 zone, and that's something worth shouting from the rooftops. Whether you're a long-time believer or just waking up to this momentum, today we're diving into what this means for the market, for the projects, and most importantly, for you, the investor. Shout out to Sol Pi Core team and the entire Solana ecosystem. Let's get into it. Segment 1. Market Milestone 0.30. First off, let's talk about what it means for a coin to hit or break the $1 zone. It's not just a psychological milestone. It represents a level of confidence from the market. For many retail investors, $1 is the line between micro-cap dream and legit crypto asset. And now we have two coins, Pi and Sol, hitting or holding that line in the same moment. This could be more than coincidence. It might be the early signs of a broader altcoin rally. Segment 2. Shout out to the builders. 1:30. Let's pause for a well-deserved shout out to the Pi Network core team and the Solana developers. These teams have been building, innovating, and growing communities through thick and thin. Bear markets, FUD storms, tech hurdles, you name it. The Pi core team has taken an unconventional approach with a mobile-first, decentralized mining network. While critics have been skeptical, the team stuck to their roadmap, and now Pi is breaking into price discovery territory. And Solana, after weathering everything from network outages to massive market crashes, Solana's devs have doubled down on scalability, efficiency, and ecosystem expansion. From NFTs to DeFi and even gaming, Solana has proven it's here to stay. Segment 3. What's driving the price? 3. So, how did we get here? Let's look at some of the price drivers behind Pi and Sol. For Pi, the growing buzz around its open mainnet, recent KYC progress, and onboarding of developers and apps has created a surge in community activity, more users, more demand, price movement. It's still early for Pi Network in terms of exchange listings, but the off-chain to on-chain transition and growing developer interest could be huge catalysts. As for Sol, we've seen major moves, big adoption from platforms like Helium, institutional attention, lower fees, and faster transactions than Ethereum, and a strong comeback narrative after the FTX fallout. Investors are beginning to look at Solana again, not as a risky bet, but as a credible Ethereum alternative. Segment 4. Community power. 5. Let's not forget what really powers a crypto. The community. The Pi Network community is massive. We're talking tens of millions of users mining Pi on their phones, talking in forums, and building apps. That's the kind of grassroots energy that can flip a project from an idea into a movement. And Solana. Just look at the NFT communities, the DeFi builders, and the developers participating in Solana hackathons. That network effect is alive and well. This is a moment where community-driven belief meets actual tech execution, and it's reflected in the price. Segment 5. Beyond $1. What's next? 6:30. Now that both Pi and Sol have reached the 1 milestone, the big question is, what's next? For Pi, the focus shifts to exchange listings, mainnet utility, and application ecosystem growth. If those things come together, $1 might just be the beginning. Some predictions are already pointing to $3 or $5 territory if adoption spikes. That's speculative, of course, but the potential is there. For Sol, we're looking at whether it can maintain momentum and climb toward its previous highs. With more projects migrating to Solana for speed and cost benefits, the fundamentals are improving. Segment 6. Investor insights and caution. ADA. Of course, with all this hype, let's be smart. $1 is a great milestone, but it's not the moon. Always DYOR. Do your own research. Prices can dip. Volatility is the name of the game. But if you believe in the tech, the team, and the trajectory, then today's news is a validation of your vision. Whether you're investing, holding, or building, use this milestone as a checkpoint, not a finish line. Segment 7. Final shoutouts and call to action. 9:30. So once again, a massive shout out to the Pi team and Solana developers, contributors, and communities. You've pushed your ecosystems into the global spotlight. If you found value in this update, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell for real-time crypto updates, and drop a comment below. What's your price prediction for Pi and Sol by the end of the year? This is just the beginning, crypto fam. Stay sharp, stay curious, and stay invested in knowledge. Outro music and end card. Thanks for watching.